Our next advanced operator is InTitle. InTitle is used for find search term within the title of a web page. I am going to OSINT.org to explain this feature. This is called InTitle. You can see here. So if I search for InTitle OSP, click on search. Whenever you open any site on this OSP, you can see here, this is title. You get all result where the OSP is located here on the top of. So you can see all results are containing OWASP. Also, these operators are especially used to find the directory. Search for InTitle index of then DCIM. You can see DCIM is the folder in Android. It's automatically generated. Whenever you capture any photos, your photo is stored in DCIM folder if you are using any Android devices. Some people copy their DCIM folder to their FTP server or any type of hosting site. So whenever they will capture any type of photo, that directly stored on their server. So click on search here, and now you can access lot of people's personal photos. I am going to open these links. You can see here, open any type of photo. Oops. You can click on any photo and can be able to access. High resolution, so it will take a little bit time loading up. So this site is having a lot of search results. You can see. So you can see this photo is a lady. So using this Google Docs, you can be able to find out a lot of people's photos. You can go to tab 9 and even there will be some photos.